Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today with this tutorial I'm going to show you the options with perspective, which is this attach to plane and release to plane. So with object menu here we have this attach to active plane. We have release with perspective, move plane to match objects, and also we have edit text. But before I want to use any option from this perspective, let me show you how you can use this perspective. So here we have this perspective grid tool. So the shortcut for that is Shift plus P. So I'm going to click at that. So now let me zoom in. So this is called plane for the perspective. And we have this left plane, we have the right plane, which is right here. And also here we have this that we can use to actually move this planes from this horizontal. And also from here I can increase and decrease the number of cells in my perspective tool. So here if you want to increase, so this is how you can increase, and also you can decrease the number of cells. And with Shift V on the top you have this widget which I can select my side to draw my shape. So here we have this left grid. If I want to draw something like this rectangle shape, so it's on the left. But if I want to draw something on the right plane for this grid, so I need to click on the right. So now I can draw any shape on the right plane with this grid. And also here from horizontal I can just draw any shape. First you have to select from the widget so you can draw your shape. So here you have to press Shift plus V. So here let me show you some more things with perspective grid. If you want to hide this by holding Alt on your keyboard, once you're going to click, so it's going to hide the grid. But again if you click with the Alt, holding Alt on your keyboard, it's going to hide the plane. But if you just hold Alt again and click right here, so you can see the plane. So same thing I can do for the left plane and for horizontal. Here I can just hold Alt and click here, so I can hide and I can just bring it back like this. And also for the left you can change it to this color and you can just click once again, so it's going to hide the plane. So now here we have this shape which is attached to this plane. So with perspective options in object menu, so we have this release with perspective. So it's already attached, but if you want to release that, so you're going to click at that. So now you can see it's released. So let me show you here with perspective. So I can just click to attach this again. But by holding Shift and V, so here let me move this plane somewhere like this. And if I want to move plane to match object, so I'm going to click at that. So with selected object the plane is going to match. And also here we have one more option with perspective, which is edit text. So first I have to make this text. I'm going to hold Shift V and I'm going to put this right here. So now if I want to edit the text, so simple, I'm going to click on object menu here with perspective. So here we have this edit text, so I'm going to click at that. So now I can change my text and I can just edit that. So this is how we can use all the options which is available for perspective in object menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use these options for perspective grid. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.